Hello millionaires. I'm very happy today and today's video is going to be really special. So I'm actually going to show you my P&L, my profit and loss statement in my broker's dashboard, and then I'm going to donate 25% of my trading profits from the last month to Kerala Chief Minister's COVID Relief Fund. I'm going to do that completely on video today. If you ask me why I am doing it, 2 weeks before, the PR Sundar actually posted a video on his YouTube channel where he showed his profits in the last 6 weeks, and then he donated 25% of his trading profits to Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's COVID Relief Fund, and it absolutely moved me. But in that video, he did not just show that he is donating money, he did not just show his profits, but he also said some real serious things. It is very true what he said. If we look around, we can see a lot of stock market gurus on social media today. We can see them on YouTube, on Instagram, on Telegram, on Twitter. But he said on that video, he said that all these people are showing their screenshots, but none of them are actually showing the real deeds and acts of a successful trader. And that actually moved me. I thought about it and I waited for some time as well. And then I did not see any trader, anyone on social media reacting to that. And then I took a decision that, hey, I'm also making profits, then let me follow suit. I am inspired from hashtag PR Inspires, and then I thought I'll actually donate 25% of my trading profits to Kerala Chief Minister's Pandemic Relief Fund, and that is exactly what I'm going to do via today's video, right? He also said some very motivating stuff on the video. He talked to the general audience. He also talked to retail traders like you, and those are also things that I would like to talk about at the end of the video. So yes, the agenda of this video is very clear and simple. We are going to go together and see how much profits I made in the last month, and then let's again together go and donate 25% of that to Kerala Chief Minister's Pandemic Relief Fund. So yeah, please make sure that you watch the video completely, because I've got some real good things, some requests to you at the end of the video, because as I always say, the aim here is to democratize stock market investments in India, and let's do that together, right? And speaking about last month was kind of really good for me. I could make somewhere nearly 12% profits of my complete capital which I brought in for trading. So that, yes, I had a good month of trading. Along with me, all of my students in breakout option selling community, all of them making some great profits this month is what we could see. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. The name is Shari Shamsuddin. Welcome to Market Feed. So there isn't much to say here. It's very simple. I'll just go to my broker's dashboard and I'll show you my P&L, and then we'll move ahead and make the donation, right? But before moving on to my broker's dashboard, there's one thing I have to say. I use 4 brokers, right? So the first one is Zerodha, where I mostly do my option selling trades, which I do the most. You probably know that by now. I'm an avid option seller. So I use Zerodha for my option selling trades mostly, and I also do some swing trades in my Zerodha account. Then I use a Upstocks account. In Upstocks, my Upstocks account is connected to Small Case, and that is where I do a lot of SIPs through Small Case in Upstocks. And again, I use Upstocks for some equity intraday trades and also for some equity swing trades as well. That is where I use my why I use Upstocks. Then comes Angel Broking. I have an account in Angel where I'm kind of using it for option selling. I'm testing out Angel Broking for option selling right now, so I don't use it actively currently. And the last account I have is on Grow, where I'm invested for the long term. I also have my mutual fund positions on Grow. So that is clear, right? So I have 4 accounts and I manage all my activities across these 4 brokers and these 4 platforms. So with that being said, you can clearly know that my largest or my most active positions are on Zerodha. So we'll go to Zerodha's dashboard and see how much profit I made through option selling and also through my swing trading swing trades that I did last month in Zerodha. That is what we are going to see today. So not wasting any more time, very simple getting into my Zerodha dashboard. As you can see here, this is the console. This is my account. So yeah, you can clearly see here my account value. I know it is large. Some might feel it's large, some might feel it's low. It's all relative is what I would say. This is my account value. Coming down, and I think showing the capital, showing the account value is also very important, because I can end up showing that I made profits of say 5 lakh a month or 10 lakhs a month, but you shouldn't be taking inspiration or motivation, or you shouldn't be attaching an aspirational value to that absolute figure. It will never help you, because to be very clear here, Sundar sir actually said that he made some profits in the tunes of 1 to 2 crore rupees. But just knowing that profits is not enough, right? You should always think in terms of how much percentage of your capital you're making in a month. So even if you're making only 10,000 rupees profits in a month, but if that 10,000 rupees profits in a month is say 8% of your capital, I would say that you are a successful trader. So always focus on that percentage. So I'll only be talking about the percentages in this video. So this is the account value, and as you can see here, this is the funds movement in my account in the last 1 month. This is the May month you're seeing. So May month starting, if you look here, the account value was 1 crore 17 lakh rupees. But there, if you focus there, you can see that cash balance was only 1 crore 3 lakh rupees. And at the end of the month, we can see the account value has grown to 1 crore 31 lakh rupees. And in that, cash balance is 1 crore 17 lakh 96,000 rupees. So account has clearly moved or grown from 1 crore 17 lakhs to 1 crore 31 lakhs. So that is the growth that the account had in the last month. Now, you know how much capital I have and what is the movement that the account has had in the last month. Let's move ahead into the P&L segment and see exactly how much profit I made in the last month, right? So I've already selected the last month's range. I can select it again. This is from May 1 to probably we can select till today, which is May 28th, Friday. So I'm putting that filter, and as you can see here, this is, as you can clearly see, this is only futures and options portion. This is where I do most of my option selling and few of my future swing trades as well. So this is the P&L of my option selling trades, which I do in the best possible manner. So as you can see here, the realized P&L is 12 lakh 38,000. I have incurred charges of nearly 17,450. And the net realized P&L is nearly 12 lakh 19,000 rupees, right? You look down here, these are all the trades I took over the course of last month. So this is nearly 12 lakh 20,000 net realized profit here. Now I'll move on to equity and see how much profits I made via equity trading in the last month. So speaking here, I've just deployed nearly 5 to 7 lakhs rupees for equity trading. And to be very honest here, I don't use Zerodha much for my equity trading. Of late, I have been using it because when I launched Market Feed and when we have an advisory section there, I really wanted to experiment with it. I really wanted to take trades according to what the SEBI registered advisors were saying on Market Feed mobile application. So you guys say that you're making profits, some say that they're making losses. I wasn't sure, right? So I wanted to use it for myself. I wanted to validate that. As you can see here, I used somewhere nearly 5 to 7 lakh rupees. And then here also, I have made net realized profit of nearly 51,000 rupees in last month, and 31,000 unrealized profits are also running here. But the point here is, I did not get into much swing trades. Almost all the swing trades here, you can read the name of the scripts here. Almost all of them were taken from Market Feed's SEBI registered advisory section. If you're following that, you'll probably identify these trades like RG Trucks, AWHCL, Banco India, BPCL, Britannia, Canfin Home, Cupid, Huhtamaki, Kitex, Mahindra CIE, Max Health, Orient Ref, Syngene. All of these trades were taken from Market Feed's advisory section, and there I am with nearly 50,000 profits there, right? Even in that, in here we can see some trades I am still holding, like Britannia, like Max Health. I'm still holding with loss. I'm waiting it for them to come into profits, and just one trade I have booked my stop loss, which is Orient Ref, as you can see here. So again, the point here in the equity segment, I have made nearly 52,000 rupees profit, and in futures and options, the profit is somewhere nearly 12 lakh 20,000 rupees. So let's add them up, right? Let's take the sum, and the sum we can round it off to nearly 12 lakh 50,000 rupees. So that is the profit that I have made from trading over the course of the month of May. And what did we say? We'll donate 25% of that to Kerala Chief Minister's Pandemic Relief Fund, which will be helping all those people affected by COVID. And what is the 25% of 12 lakh 50,000? Let's kind of round it up. So nearly 25% of 12 lakh 50,000 rupees is 3 lakh rupees. Okay, so I have decided to donate 3 lakh rupees to Kerala Chief Minister's Fund, and I've already opened the website here. As you can see here, it is the website of Kerala's Chief Minister's Fund. So I'm coming here, going to do it right away, right? So yeah, I'm clicking on donate as individual. So probably I'll be fast forwarding this. I'm going to enter in my details and I'll be making the payment. Yes, as we can see right here, the payment has been successful. I can click here and download the receipt is what I can see. Let me try that. So something has been downloaded. Let me see. Yes, so as we can see here, this is a receipt from Government of Kerala which says that to Shariq Shamsuddin and that they have received the fund, and it's a thank you note from them, right? So yeah, that has been done. I feel really happy. I mean, it really feels good is what I would say. So yeah, so that is done. So it's out of the way now. So you've seen my profits from the last month. So we've taken 25% and then donated it to the CM's fund. Now again, let's circle back to the original question as to why I am doing this. So number one reason is absolutely yes, I care for the cause and I really wanted to donate, and then PRS came in and actually gave me a real nice way to do it, right? And yeah, I know this is not a very large figure that I have donated, maybe compared to him or compared to many other donations that are happening. But again, one thing I would like to say here now is I'm not a person who would like to publicize the donations that I do. So I kind of do donations on a regular basis and I do not publicize them. But again, this I'm doing it publicly because I have a cause behind this. Now let's talk about that. So I have majorly two things to say here. So number one is, so it's very unfortunate and very sad to still see people in Kerala, in India, still thinking stock market is a place where people go to gamble and people lose money. And I feel very sad to hear that. And whenever I say that I really want to change things in India and I want to democratize stock market in India, I mean that. And I want to lead with example. So when I did this, probably a lot of people will see this, and I want to actually show and lead with example showing that this can be done. Making money in stock market is possible, and that is possible. 100% is possible. That's what I want to do. So there are people who disrespect the stock market. There are people who disrespect someone when he says that he is a trader in the market, and I want to change all of that. And PR Sundar sir, in his video, he said a very interesting story, to be very honest. He said a story where he said that he met a person who could not marry his girlfriend because the girlfriend's father was not marrying his daughter to this person because this person was a stock market trader or stock market participant. How sad is the story, right? And I can probably relate to it in a more interesting manner because I am probably facing that problem right now, or I can face it in the future as well, right? So these things do exist when we go out. And how many of you are getting support from your family, from your friends, from your spouse? If you are trading in the market, you might be facing problems in your family, in your circle as well, right? Why should we face it? So let's all come together. Let's all change the perception and the notion about stock market in our society. Let's do that together. It has to be a very big movement, and we have to work together towards that. Only then it can be changed. And this is my very humble and a very simple step towards that matter is what I am saying. So that's number one. Number two is, we have a lot of traders among us, right? You probably watch my videos, you learn something from me, you probably watch the stock market show daily live as well, and then you would have probably thought, hey, is this guy again another stock market guru, or is he actually making profits? You have questioned me multiple times, and you question yourself as well whether you can make money in the market, right? Again, I want to show you. I have been showing to you this from time to time that this is absolutely possible. 100% possible. There are a lot of people doing this who are making money from the market on a consistent basis. It can be done, my dear traders, my dear students, my dear friends. So this can be done. So the whole point here is, Focus on your skills, focus on discipline, learn about the market well. Do not go behind crazy strategies which says that you can make 5,000 every day by investing 50,000 rupees, stuff like that. Please stay away from stuff like that. Only focus on the percentage returns that you can make on the capital that you're bringing in, and then you can absolutely succeed in trading. Take my word for it. I said this in the beginning. If you are a person with 1 lakh rupees capital and then you are making 1,000 rupees a week, 1 lakh rupees capital, just 1,000 rupees profit a week, then you are succeeding. You might not appreciate it, but still you're making 1% a week. You're making nearly 4 to 5 to 6% a month. That is nearly 40 to 60% a year. If you do that, you are among the top 1% traders in India. Think about that. People do not understand this. People, traders, retail traders specifically, they come to the market thinking that, hey, I'll do a lot of intraday trading, I'll do a lot of options buying, I'll do a lot of these crazy trading styles, and then I'll make a lot of money and I'll be a rich person overnight. That is a wrong mindset to have when you come into the world of trading. If you're conservative, if you're disciplined, if you follow very conservative strategies, then everybody can win in the stock market. So please take my word for it. So yes, let's democratize stock market together. Let's make sure that everybody among us win in the market. And that is the day where I'll rest, because I've taken it up as my life's mission to build the largest and the best and the most responsible stock trading community in India, and we are doing it together is what I am saying. So that is what, and this is why I really wanted to do this in a public manner. I really did not want to show off. If I had to show off, I could have showed off much more. I could have showed off many more things earlier because I really was inspired by Sundar sir and I wanted to do this and I wanted to tell these things to you, and that's why I did the video. And before signing off, before concluding the video, I want to ask one thing from you. It's a request from my side through which we can probably start this revolution that we are talking about, and that is, I want all of you to go to your broker's dashboard, your terminal, and see how much percentage or how much profits that you made in the last month. And if you feel it is the right thing to do, then please contribute some portion of that profits to any relief fund out there. It can be Kerala Chief Minister's Fund, it can be the PM Cares Fund, or it can be to any other NGO as well. Please do that is what I say, right? So look into your profits, and how much ever your profit is, look into a percentage, even if it is like 5% of your profit or 10% or 20% of your profits, please do a donation and then take a screenshot of that donation and then share it on social media. Again, it's not to publicize that we are doing some great thing. It is again a small step, a small next step that we can keep in our journey towards democratizing stock market. And when you do that, when you share it on Instagram, when you share it on Twitter, when you share it on any other social media platform that you are doing, please share it along with the hashtags traders donate, hashtag traders donate and hashtag stock market is legit. Yes, we want to spread the word that stock market is legit and it is a good enough place that people can actually come and actually grow money with. So please share these two hashtags, and also don't forget to tag us there. Tag me, myself, at the rate of Sharik.Shamsuddin, tag Market Feed and tag Fundfolio as well. And then we will make sure that we reshare your post, we make it a movement. And if you're doing it in a very large manner, if you can see a lot of posts coming in, we'll probably take all those posts and then we might even actually make a video out of that. Let's make sure that we do this together, right? And again, as a disclaimer, I always would like to say this. Any beginner would also be seeing this video. Please do not misunderstand that trading is easy and you just come here with some small capital and then you can make a lot of money without learning much. You have to learn, you have to be disciplined, and then everybody can win in the stock market is what I am saying. Are you in? I hope you are. Then let's do this together. I know this is not a small mission that we are taking up. This is, as I said, this is just a simple step that we are taking. We are in this together for years to come, and then let's make a revolution is what I am saying. So with that being said, I hope even I could inspire you in a very small manner. If I was able to do that, then let's do this together. So with that being said, this is Mr. Adi Shaktam signing off. Stay safe, stay invested. Bye-bye.